Hi guys, how are you today? I am back because we are about to start day 3 of naming and counting coins. I am so excited. This is the last day we're doing this, and after this, you guys will be pros at naming and counting coins, okay? Let's get started. All right, today your materials that you'll need are your packet of work, and a pencil and paper or dry erase marker and dry erase board. Whichever one you have handy is fine. So if you need to pause the video while you get these materials out, go ahead and do that and press play when you're ready to start your lesson. Okay, let's go over our clear learning target. It is the same as it was yesterday and the day before. So let's go over it again. I will read it and then you can read it with me, okay? I will read it first. I can name different coins and count their values. Okay, are you ready to read with me? I want to hear you. I can name different coins and count their values. Great work. Okay, so over the last couple of days, we have learned to identify coins and count groups of them. Today, we are going to review the different coins and practice counting more groups of coins. And I know it says we should watch a video, but I think you should have already watched it before you started this. So you've already seen this video. So we're good there. All right, let's go ahead and review our different coins, okay? All right, let's start. One of these coins is a nickel. The other coin is a penny. Which one is which? Take a minute to think about your answer. When you think you know, tell someone near you which one is a penny and which one is a nickel. So go ahead and do that now. Again, one of these is a nickel, one of these is a penny. Which is which? Go ahead and think now. And when you know, you can tell someone around you. If you need more time, you can pause the video now. Okay, friends, this coin right here is a penny. We know it's a penny because it's copper and it has Abraham Lincoln's face on it. Did you get that one right? If you did, great job. And this coin over here is our nickel. We know it's a nickel because it's a little bit bigger than the penny. And it is silver. So if you got that, great job. If you got both of them, good work. All right, here's our next question. Are you ready? One of these coins is a dime. The other coin is a quarter. Which one is which? Take a minute to think about your answer. When you think you know, tell someone around you how you know which one is a dime and which one is a quarter. So this time I want you to look at the coins, think about which one is which, and then tell somebody how you know. So tell somebody how you know that this is either a quarter or a dime, and then tell somebody how you know which one this is. So go ahead and do that now. I'll give you some time. If you need more time to think about this and talk to somebody about how you know which coin is which, you can pause the video now and play it when you're ready for the answers. Okay, let's see. This one right here, this coin, the bigger one, is the quarter. Did you get that right? If you did, kiss your brain. Great work. Now, when you told somebody how you knew this was a quarter, you might have said you knew it was a quarter because you see that it is big. And we know the quarter is the biggest coin we have learned about so far. You might have also said you knew it was a quarter because it was silver or because it has George Washington's face on it. So if you said any of those things, great job. This is our dime. Some of the things you might have said, told you this was a dime, is that you see that this is a lot smaller than the quarter. And we know the dime is the smallest coin that we've learned about so far. You might have also said you knew because it was silver or because it has this face on it. Did you get those right? I hope so. Let's move on. Okay, and now we're going to review from yesterday. We're going to review counting groups of coins. So we're going to practice counting more groups of coins. We're going to start with the penny. Remember, the penny is worth 1 cent. And also remember, this is our cent symbol, which is a C with a line through it. So I want you to take a minute and count this group of pennies to find out how much the group is worth. When you think you know, I want you to write your answer on your paper or your whiteboard and share your answer with someone next to you. Remember, when we're talking about money, you need to put the cent symbol after the number. So I want to see that your cent symbol is at the end of your answer. That way I know you are talking about money. So go ahead and get out your paper or your whiteboard and you can count these coins. You might not be able to see this coin right here, but there is one coin on the top and one coin that might be hidden by my face right here. Hopefully that's not too difficult. So go ahead now and count the group of coins, write down your answer, and share it with a friend. If you need more time to count these pennies and write down your answer, go ahead and pause the video now and you can play it when you're ready. All right, let's count these pennies. Will you count them with me? Let's count them now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know this group of pennies is worth 8 cents. I know this because there are 8 pennies in the group, and I know that pennies are worth 1 cent each. So I would say that it's worth 8 cents. If you got this right, well done. That is such great work. All right, are you ready? If you have a whiteboard, go ahead and erase it. If you have your paper, move down to the next line. Are you ready for your next problem? Let's see it. Next, we're going to practice counting these nickels. Remember, how much is a nickel worth? 5 cents. So when you count these nickels, you can count by fives. Again, I'm sorry if this one is kind of hidden by my face. But there's just one nickel here though. So take a minute, count this group of nickels. Remember, you can count by fives to find out how much this group is worth. When you know your answer, write it on your paper or your whiteboard and share it with a friend around you. Remember, we're going to put our cent symbol after the number of how much these nickels are worth. So everybody knows we are talking about money. So go ahead and do that now. If you need more time to count these nickels and write down your answer, go ahead and pause the video and play it when you're ready to move on. All right, guys, are you ready to count this group of nickels with me to see how much it's worth? Get ready. Remember, we are counting by fives because a nickel is worth 5 cents. Let's count now. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So this group of nickels is worth 25 cents. I know this because there are 5 nickels in the group, and I know nickels are worth 5 cents each. If you got this right, give yourself a pat on the back. That is such great work. And I hope we remember to put our cent symbol after our answer. So your paper or your whiteboard should look like this, 25 cents. All right, are we ready for our next problem? Let's move on. This time we are going to practice counting a group of dimes. Remember, a dime is worth 10 cents. So when we count these dimes, we can count by tens. So if you have a whiteboard, go ahead and erase it and get ready for the next problem. If you have paper, move down to the next section. Take time right now to count this group of dimes to find out how much the group is worth. When you know the answer, write it on your paper or whiteboard and whisper it to someone close to you. Remember to put the cent symbol at the end of your answer so we know you are talking about money. Go ahead and do that now. Remember, you can count by tens. If you need more time to count these dimes and write down your answer, pause the video now and you can play it when you're ready for the answer. All right, are we ready to see how much these dimes are worth? All right, count the dimes with me. You're going to count by tens, okay? I want to hear you count with me, all right? Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. This group of dimes is worth 70 cents. I know this because there are 7 dimes in the group, and dimes are worth 10 cents each. If you got this right, fantastic thinking. That was a hard one, but I know you guys did a great job. All right, now it is time for independent practice. You guys did such a great job reviewing, identifying coins, and practicing counting them more. Now we have some more practice. Today, we are going to play a game called Roll and Count Coins. Now, this game kind of involves some prep work that we're going to have to do, but it's okay. It'll be fun. So you will have these 2 sheets in your packet, and you are going to put these together to make 2 dice, okay, or die. And then how you play the game is you roll the dice, and it'll land on a coin. So what you're going to do is you're going to write what coin you get in this box, write how many. So for example, this says 2 dimes. So you would write a dime here, then you would write the number 2 because you got 2 dimes. And you're going to draw 2 dimes for me. And when we draw our coins, we can just put a circle and then put how much they are worth. So right here, the example says 5 cents. So they are counting nickels. Then you were going to tell me the total number of the coins that you rolled. So if you rolled 2 dimes in this box, you were going to put how much 2 dimes is worth, which we know is 20 cents because you can count by tens and there are 2 dimes. So that is how you play that game. It will take some prep work, but it's fun. When you are finished playing the game, you may work on 20 minutes of iReady Math, or if you are doing math small group / rotations, you are going to work on that. So go ahead and get to work. You guys worked so hard this week telling time and counting coins. I am so proud of the progress you guys have made this week. We will see you next week for more fun math, okay? Bye, friends.